So in case you've never used a fly product before inside your house, it has no smell whatsoever. It's all based on the Visulure technology. That's what's attractive to the flies, greens and yellows and blues. Hi, I'm Drew, and I'm the production manager at Rescue. And today I'm here to discuss the TrapStik for flies. This is our solution for flies that you may have in your house, garage, patio. A great product for indoor because it doesn't smell. The flies go to this product rather than your food, your windows, etc. So without further ado, let's open it up. We already have a perforated tear pattern for you. Put it flat on a table, put some pressure on the top, and then tear straight down. It should fold off. If there is any glue attached, just fold it. There are fold-up tabs on both the top and the bottom, and there is no necessity as to which way it goes. It can be hung both ways. The best thing that we have found is with a twist tie. Go through the hang tab, twist it up, and you are ready to hang. At any time, if you do touch the glue, it is sticky, but the glue is not that hard to get your hand off, but it is sticky enough to hold the flies. As yucky as those flies are, I would keep it up until it's completely full because dead flies catch more dead flies. I've seen this trap completely full of flies, completely black all the way around. And that's really what you want to look for if you still have a fly problem. So it's really, really cool to be able to take what I know from my background in the R&D department and bring it over into the production area. We research our products and we come up with the best. Being able to see the people grow, being able to see the products grow, being able to see the company grow as a result of all of that, that's really important to me.